Hey everyone, how are you? This is Vanessa Codorniu, intuitive hypnotherapist, intuitive business teacher. And you may not know this about me, but I was a closet witch, closet soul person for like so long. Now, what does that mean? Now, in my family, we're very, very spiritual. It's been passed down from generation to generation. My mom is mediumistic abilities and is definitely psychic abilities. So does her mom. She had mediumistic abilities. My dad's mom as well as my grandfather on my mom's side. And I've heard rumors. So it's like I'm a fourth generation medium. But we didn't talk about it much. When I was 19 years old and I started doing past life regression and getting a lot of information and connecting with my guides, which, by the way, 19 years old was almost 3 decades ago. So I've been at this in this lifetime for a long, long time. In fact, if you look throughout my life, it's really been mostly spiritual work, healing work, and then, also a lot of different artistic work. But I didn't get on here to just talk about me. I came on here to share with you my story because so many of us, hi, I love the hearts, thank you. Because so many of us have been spiritual, have been connected to something deeper, to our own sacred medicine, and we've been in hiding, right? I mean, now it's trendier, it's more known, it's more seen. You know, we see a lot of people taking pictures with crystals, and we see a lot of people using essential oils, but there are some of us that it's been passed down from generation to generation. Thank you for the hearts. And hey, or it's been something that we've connected with of our own volition, and it's something that's been with us for eons and lifetimes. So it's really, really our time. Thank you so much, holistic help and truth. Thank you so much. You're an angel as well. Sending love. And so for all of you who've been quiet, who have known that you're a healer, who know that you're a communicator, or who know that you're a creative, but have been holding back, it's our time to shine. You know, it is an Aries season. It's spring. We're seeing flowers pop up on trees. I would like Harmser. I don't know how to say Harmser. So I don't know if I'm saying it right. Yeah. So I'm sorry if I'm not saying it right. Hi, Harmser. Nice to see you on here as well. Sorry if I didn't say your name as well. And so a lot of us are really beginning to step out and share more. Now today's moon in Taurus. When we think of Taurus, right? We had a new moon a while back last Friday. Now it's in Taurus. We know that it's the earth. We know that it's about embodiment. We know that it also has to deal with money, abundance. It has to deal with the things that we value and our values, right? Because Venus rules love. It also rules what we value. So today the message for y'all. Oh, good. Okay, good. I'm glad. So the message for everyone today with Moon and Taurus is to connect to the value, our inner value. We're not valuable because we can do things for others. Thank you for the hearts. We're not valuable because we are taking care of everyone. We are not valuable for what we do. And I know so many of us feel this way. We are valuable because we exist. Okay, we're not a human doing, we're a human being. And so during this new moon in Taurus, when we are invited more into our bodies, into connecting to who we truly are and valuing ourselves, let's allow ourselves to really maybe fall in love with ourselves a little bit more in a healthy, beautiful way, where we understand that we are connected to the divine, that we always have that divine spark within us, no matter what's happening in our lives, and that we matter just because we exist, not because of what we look like, not because of what we do for others, but just because we live and breathe. Yes, I heard the same message today about value because we are here. Holistic help and truth. Yes. And that's the message that came through, because for Moon and Taurus, a lot of other messages could come true. Like, look at your money. What are your money issues? Do you have an issue with your body? And how we don't lose our value due to how others treated us. Exactly. Sometimes people treat us poorly because it's a reflection of themselves. Thank you for sharing that. They treat us poorly. They don't value us. They don't love us because they weren't loved. They weren't valued. And if we accept how they're treating us as truth, then we start to devalue ourselves. We start to place other people above us or ahead of us or on a pedestal. And then eventually we will have to learn to love ourselves and value ourselves. So thank you for that. And I'm glad you found your way here and you shared that message. So Moon in Taurus, really an invitation to value ourselves and more, whether it's by charging for the work that we do, whether it's by taking a day off that we need, whether it's by stop taking care of everyone around us. Like they have a guide, they have God, they have a higher self. We can back away and do our own thing. And it's not selfish to just say, well, what the hell do I want? What do I really want? All right, sending you all so much love. And I can't wait till Moon in Gemini. I am a Moon in Gemini, so we're going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about it in the coming days. Sending you so much love. Thank you for being on here. So many loves and so many kisses and so many hearts to you both. Bye, Hamza, and bye, Holistic Health and Truth.